Welcome to Olympic National Forest, a stunning and diverse landscape on Washington's Olympic Peninsula, covering nearly 630,000 acres of protected land. This forest is incredibly unique, offering a rare combination of ecosystems within one area, everything from temperate rainforests and towering old-growth trees to alpine meadows and rugged coastal shores. One of the most famous areas here is the Hoh Rainforest, a lush, green paradise that can receive over 12 feet of rain every year. The moisture supports an ecosystem where mosses drape from branches, giant ferns blanket the ground, and ancient trees like Sitka spruce and western hemlock tower over the forest floor, some reaching heights over 200 feet. Beyond the rainforests, Olympic National Forest's variety of habitat supports a vibrant range of wildlife. Black bears, Roosevelt elk, and mountain lions roam through the dense forest, while bald eagles soar above the trees. The forest's rivers are home to salmon, which swim upstream to spawn each year, playing a critical role in the local ecosystem and providing food for many other animals. This forest is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. There are endless opportunities for hiking, from challenging trails like Mount Eleanor and the Duckerbush Trail to scenic walks through peaceful old-growth forests. In warmer seasons, Lake Quinault is a popular spot for kayaking, canoeing, and fishing, with a peaceful atmosphere and breathtaking scenery. For those who visit in the winter, the higher elevations of the forest offer snowshoeing and cross-country skiing, providing a unique way to experience this natural wonder in the colder months. Preservation and conservation are central to Olympic National Forest. It's protected to ensure its biodiversity, prevent deforestation, and protect species that rely on these unique environments. Careful forest management and visitor guidelines help reduce wildfire risks and keep the forest healthy. As you explore, remember to follow leave no trace principles. Simple actions like packing out your trash and staying on marked trails help preserve this pristine environment for future generations. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a peaceful escape, Olympic National Forest offers something for everyone. From the rainforest's lush green canopies to alpine lakes and coastal views, it's a place of wonder and beauty. Thank you for joining this virtual tour. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to help others discover the magic of Olympic National Forest.